Hi my lovely viewers, this is Elevated World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set hyphenation in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word. So here already I have opened it and here the copy paste before I have copied. So see the sequence or these things hasn't completed. So for this case if we set the hyphenation, so before that we have to clear about the hyphenation. So for this case we will go to the options. So here lots of option has been presented. So here we will go to the layout, see the hyphenation. So here the hyphenation definition, this when a word runs out of room, word normally moves it down to the next line. When you turn on hyphenation, word hyphenates it instead, just like you see in books or magazines. Hyphenating helps create more uniform spacing and save space in your document. So this is the hyphenation definition. So here by default it has none. So here end of the lines we can't see any kinds of hyphenation. So see by default it has none. So click this, see the network has been hyphenation. So before see net this, and again we have clicked this automatic, see the net hyphen or hyphenation and the work has here. So in this way we can do lots of documentation with the help of hyphenation things or keyword. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.